Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. In our South Indian dinner recipes, today we are going to have an instant soft set dosa. Absolutely delicious, soft and spongy set dosa with this chutney, an excellent combination. I have taken 1 cup of regular Bombay Rava or Upma Rava. To this we are adding 1 cup of curd, homemade curd, and give it a good mix. Cover it and let it soak for about 10 minutes. We are waiting for the rava to soak. We will make a chutney. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil. I am adding 4 dry red chillies, the spicy variety, and 3 of these Bydagi red chillies just for the color. Just lightly stir fry this in the oil and switch it off. In a blender jar, take the fried red chillies, add half a cup of this cottony dal, that is the chutney dal, and 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut, a small piece of tamarind, and salt to taste. We will grind this adding a little water into a smooth chutney. Always first run it dry till it becomes a powder like this. Then add the required quantity of water and continue grinding. See, we have ground it into a smooth chutney. Add some water and adjust the consistency. So in a pan, just take a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds, add some hing, switch it off and just add a few curry leaves to it. Now pour this tempering on top of your chutney. This is the thin poha. So I have taken 1 cup of that also, and I will just rinse it a little bit. Squeeze it out and add it to your blender jar. Now add this soaked rava also to it. Just add half a cup of water and grind it into a smooth paste. Now we have ground it into a smooth batter. Take it back into this bowl. I am just adding a little bit more water to remove all this batter. Now add some salt, mix it well. Cover it and keep it aside for half an hour. Now we are ready to make the dosa. Here I have Eno fruit salt. I am adding half a teaspoon of it. Add a little bit of water on top and give it a good mix. Heat a tawa, pour a little of batter, and you don't have to make it very thin, just gently spread it around. Add a few drops of oil. Cover it and cook till it is done. See, the dosa has cooked well. It is totally dry on the top side and the underside is golden color. Now we can remove this and keep it aside. Similarly, I will just show you one more dosa. The texture will be very similar to set dosa, soft and spongy, but this is instant. steaming hot dosa. Let me see how spongy it is and so soft. Now we are ready to serve out our instant set dosa along with this tasty red chilli pottukadla chutney. Absolutely delicious, soft and spongy set dosa with this chutney, an excellent combination. Many of you might have the doubt about adding this Eno fruit salt. Only if you add this Eno, you will get this soft, fluffy, spongy set dosa which we have made instantly. Otherwise, you will have to soak rice with methi, grind it. It's a longer process. Secondly, if you don't have Eno fruit salt, you can also substitute it with a little bit of cooking soda. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.